Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host, Jay, and today I want to talk to you about some of the most bullish signs that I see in this market right now. Also, I want to touch a little bit on, of course, Tesla throwing $1.5 billion into Bitcoin. Yes, that is 10% of their $19 billion that they have over there at the company. They threw 10%. This is crazy. This is a big day for Bitcoin. Looking at this Bitcoin chart, we are now at a 20% increase over the last 24 hours in Bitcoin. So that's crazy. Going to talk a little bit about that. Also, I want to take a look at some other bullish signs in the market, some strange contrarian bullish signs that I see. I want to talk about a couple altcoins that I think you guys should keep an eye on, and one that I'm going to be trading and getting into to do some flipping. So if you're excited about that, go ahead and like the video. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel and let me know what you need help with in your journey in cryptocurrency. So first things first, like I was saying, look at this chart. Bitcoin is popping off all over the place. We can see that some other places are picking up Bitcoin that weren't before, such as South Africa. That's pretty interesting. And Europe is going crazy with their buying right now as well. Also Japan and Korea. So crypto is going crazy right now. The main look at the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is increasing like crazy, but it doesn't matter because the altcoins decided that they want to go up anyway. The total two right now, this is one of the bullish signs that I wanted to talk to you about. The total market cap of all of cryptocurrency just closed a bar above its all-time high, and it is continuing up. This green line that I have right here is the all-time high of all of the market cap of all of the cryptocurrencies, excluding Bitcoin, everything except Bitcoin. So it is up right now, printing out a little doji right now, a little undecided candle, because Bitcoin's moving crazy. I think that's the only reason why, is because Bitcoin's moving crazy, but also Bitcoin dominance. It's giving us two of those undecided candles right there, but it's looking good because the overall market for all of the coins is just going up. Like, it's just going up. Money is piling into these altcoins, like Tesla putting 1.5 billion last month. By the way, they did it before they announced it. So that's what I want to talk about. They did it and they didn't even announce it. And there's going to be a bunch of other companies that follow. But here's what's going to happen. Companies release their earnings report every 3 months, every quarter. So we're not going to hear about the next batch of companies that followed Tesla for about 3 months. So we can expect a bunch of speculation to happen up until this point. And then I'm definitely expecting that other companies will follow suit with throwing a percentage of their balance sheet into Bitcoin the same way that Tesla MicroStrategies did. So those are just two companies that have done it so far. So we're talking about, even if 100 of the top 500 companies do it, that's so much hype and so much money coming into Bitcoin. It is just crazy. And now that they are coming into Bitcoin and that they are here, it is only a matter of time before they discover DeFi. And that's what we all did, and that's what they all have to do. It just takes time. We're super duper early, you guys. We are so early. It is crazy. Like, it's ridiculously crazy how early we are being in cryptocurrency right now in 2021. Like, I've been here since 2017, and a lot of things are barely starting to kick off from when they were first being built. They're barely starting to get released. Cardano still hasn't released anything yet, and they are still moving. So I'm just excited about this whole market. I just had to point that out. And one of the things that points to a bull run is something like this that makes me even more excited, which is it says right here, later, get out of here, Kraken halts sign up due to immense demand. Today, Kraken said, we can't allow any more people to sign up because our servers are probably crashed. This happens when we see a big surge into crypto. This happened in the last bull run, right when the ICOs hit, when Bitcoin first hit $10,000 before it went to 20K. So that's when we started seeing, Coinbase had to stop signups for a while. Binance couldn't sign anybody up for a while. It was just too crazy. They had to pause everything. So now we're seeing it happen again on Kraken. Also, Google Trend searches are up. So just another bullish sign for the market. One of the coins that I wanted to talk about was still Cosmos. So what people don't really understand, one of the reasons why I'm very bullish on Cosmos is this, a quick take. The interoperability protocol Cosmos IBC will be launching after Cosmos latest update February 18th. So updates coming on Cosmos. Notable projects built on Cosmos XDK are Binance Chain, one of the top chains coming up right now besides Ethereum. Whether people like it or not, it's doing what it does and value is getting locked in it. Kava, Terra, which has been taking off. If you're in Terra, you're excited about that. Ban, we know what Ban is, and Thorchain. So good things coming for Cosmos in the future. I'm still holding on to my Cosmos, although I will be taking profit during pumps. So if something pumps 100%, I'm not dumb, I'll sell maybe 20% of my position or 30% of my position, and I'll look to reaccumulate that 30% back with some profit after that. So what that looks like is if I put $100 into Cosmos and it goes to $200, I will take out $60 and I will buy the same amount of Cosmos back and then keep the profit. There's Cosmos. So keep an eye out for Cosmos. They are still doing their thing. The next thing I wanted to talk about was the new bridge connects Avalanche and Ethereum. So Avalanche has been taking off. I talked about it in my video from 2 days ago because it's on my low cap gems list, but Avalanche has been taking off, and it's just another one that I encourage you keep an eye on. IOTA oracles, you know how big oracles are, but we got IOTA oracles now available. So this is a nice announcement. I will put this in the description if anybody's big on IOTA and they want to check out the oracles coming to IOTA. Wall Street shifts focus from blockchain infrastructure to crypto assets. Duh, we knew that was going to happen. This barely happened that Wall Street switched focus. So a lot of people are, I wanted to talk about this because a lot of people are feeling like they're late to the show, and you're not late to the show. Just be smart so you don't get wrecked. Don't buy things at the top. Buy on red days. If you see it's red, it's okay to buy it. If you see it's hella green, just wait and control your FOMO. Buy $2 worth so you can get the FOMO out of your system. This is not financial advice, by the way. I'm just trying to help people out, just trying to have some fun and entertain y'all. And the last thing that I want to talk about, gonna be a Bitcoin. Of course, it's gonna be a Bitcoin. I'm just kidding. Not guaranteed, but from the looks of it, it's gonna be a Bitcoin, in my opinion, and that is the Kalin network. TheKalin.com. Check out TheKalin.com. It is not launched yet, but it is the data oracle on Polkadot. See all these polka dots? Get ready for Kalin. It is coming soon. Q1, which is gonna be the latest the end of this month. So let me know what you guys are excited about right now. I'm excited about so many things. I'm excited about so many coins. Tesla getting into the market was definitely big, so I had to talk about it and I had to touch on it. Kalin, IOTA, Cosmos, thumbs up on those. Yeah, so let me know what you guys are holding, and yeah, talk to me in the comments. Like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Till next time, peace.